guide you through how to cancel an order on Walmart, whether on the app or website, without waiting for a refund for a returned item. If you're looking to change your mind about a purchase or you accidentally ordered the wrong item and need to cancel the order on Walmart, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Here are the best ways to cancel your Walmart order. The fastest way to cancel an order is on the website, but you must be quick as this option is only available for a short time after placing the order. Go to walmart.com and log into your account. From there, navigate to Account and then click Purchase History. Find the order you want to cancel and click to open it. Scroll to the bottom of the order details to see if a Request Cancellation button is available. If it is, click on it. If it isn't, the order may have already begun processing and you'll need to follow the return process once you receive the item. The process is similar on the mobile app. Open the Walmart app and sign into your account. Tap on the Account section at the bottom of the screen. Go to Purchase History and find the order you wish to cancel and open it. From the order details, you should see an Edit Order or Cancel Order button. Tap that button to complete the cancellation. Remember, this option is only available before the item ships. If the cancellation button isn't available on either the website or the app, the order is likely already on its way. In this case, your only option is to return the item after it is delivered. Keep in mind that for items from a marketplace seller, their return policy may differ from Walmart's. To learn how to return a Walmart item and get a refund, click to watch this video right here. Now that you've learned how to cancel an order on Walmart, app, and website, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more online shopping video tutorials. Thanks for watching.